So we all love peanut butter and jelly, but have you tried peanut butter and jelly taquitos? No, you haven't. No, you haven't. Let's go make it. So it's actually super easy to make. You need tortillas, obviously. So these are the soft ones, okay? Not hard ones or corn ones. These are just flour soft tortillas. So I'm gonna be using the creamy peanut butter. If you like the crunchy one, you can use that. So let's go ahead and open this up. So yeah, this is super easy to make. And when I place it right in the middle, okay guys? Right in the middle. Not too much on the edge. Now, you can use grape jelly, but I love this one right here. It's the strawberry preserved by Bon Mama. Girl, let me tell you. Grab a little bit of that jelly. Oh, come on, girl. Don't be shy. Boom. Okay, now spread it out. Like I said, right in the middle. All you have to do, turn it around and fold it. And as easy as that, it's done. Okay, so I got right here my air fryer, okay? So let's put it in there, super easy. Cooking spray, not hairspray. Spray it on top. Air fryer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Just keep an eye on it, okay? Don't let it burn. Okay guys, so our peanut butter and jelly taquitos are done. It took 10 minutes, okay? Just letting you know, it took 10 minutes. I had to flip them over, you know, make sure it cooks both sides. But yeah, it is done. I recommend using a bigger tortilla because the small ones are kind of hard to cook, but whatever. So I have this conventional sugar right here. It's sugar-free by Swerve. I love it. I'll leave a link down below if you want to get this one. And that is it. And enjoy your amazing taquitos with your family. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.